Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will do our page number 26, that is the self-ability test, and in which you have to find the answers. It is page number 26. So I instruct everybody, and I hope as per the previous instruction, you are ready with your book as well as with stationery. So keep your page number 26 open and let's see what is given over here. The first question, extract from the Chinese tree are used to boost the mental capacity. Mental capacity means our mental, our IQ level, our aptitude, intelligence, retention, memory, that is our mental capacity. So extract from the Chinese tree that is used to boost means to increase the mental capacity. It is the tree that you can see the picture of the tree is also there on the screen. It is Ginkgo biloba. It's Ginkgo biloba. I'm writing the answers as well. You can see the spelling also. Ginkgo biloba. Next, in the cataract surgery. Cataract surgery is related to the eyes. When the eyes is surgery of the eyes is done, it is cataract surgery. In cataract surgery, what does the surgeon remove? The surgeon remove not the eye, it is the lens only. Lens has been removed. What is the food of the brain? What is the food of the brain? It's glucose. It's glucose. The glucose is the food of the brain. The next question, what is the major cholesterol producing organ in the human body? Cholesterol, you know, sometimes it increases, it creates a heart trouble for the heart. So the major cholesterol producing organ, which organ produce the cholesterol that is harmful for our heart? It is liver. You can see the picture of the liver is also given over here. The liver produces the cholesterol because when we just eat more fatty and oily food, the cholesterol is to be produced by the liver in that case because it is cannot be digested by the liver. Which disease can be caused by prolonged or inordinate use of painkiller? Yes, which if we consume so much heavy doses of the or continuous use of the painkillers, because very time you have seen doctors instructed you very much strictly that don't take as much quantity of the painkillers. You can just take the painkiller for 2 or 3 days only. Don't take it in a long time. Why the doctors advised you? Because the painkillers have the side effect. It just develop a ulcer in our stomach. So just because of prolonged or inordinate use of painkillers, a disease incurred. That disease is caused, and that is known as ulceration of the stomach. Ulceration means the ulcer in the stomach. Ulceration of the stomach. Next, the cheapest and the most effective method of treating the diarrhea and dysentery is ORT. What is its full form? its full form. Many times when you're caused by the diarrhea and this thing, you see the glucose or drip cannula you will have as a treatment, or doctor recommend you to drink the ORS water as well. So the oral consumption has become very much compulsory when we affected by the diarrhea or dysentery, because in this the lot of water wasted and goes out from the body. Our body become weakened and it required so much fluid or the water in the form of liquid to remove all the infection from our body. So this method is used nowadays as well from the ancient time, and this is the cheapest as well as most effective method to treat the diarrhea. It is the oral rehydration. Oral means in the liquid form. Rehydrate means doing the body hydrate again therapy. It is oral rehydrate, oral rehydration therapy. The next question is, which is the heaviest liquid? Which is the heaviest liquid? Yes, the liquid is can be also heavy. It's mercury. In your science, I hope you people learn this, that the mercury is the heaviest liquid. So it is all about up to question 7. Let's revise once again, then I'll clear the drawing. You may take a click of this as well if you want. The extract from the Chinese tree, which increase the mental capacity. It is the tree is also given over here. It is the Ginkgo biloba. In the contract surgery, the surgeon removed the lens, not the eye. Only the lens has been removed. And what is the food of our brain? It's glucose. And cholesterol is produced by liver in the human body, and it affects on the heart. When the cholesterol will become high, the chances of the heart attack will increase, because it just develop the hurdles in the working of the heart. Which disease can be caused prolonged and inordinate use of painkillers? It's caused ulceration in the stomach. And the cheapest and the most effective method for treating diarrhea and dysentery in ORT, its full form is oral rehydration therapy. And what is the heaviest liquid? The heaviest liquid is mercury. Let's go for the next. Yes. The next is the question number 8. What is the use of iodized salt recommended? What is the use of iodized salt recommended? It is for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. It is used for the proper functioning of thyroid gland and prevent from goiter. And prevent from goiter. Goiter is a disease which is caused due to deficiency of iodine. It's goiter. The next question is, deafness is diagnosed with the help of tuning fork. Which test is this? The deafness means how much the listening capacity the person has. This can be diagnosed with the help of a turning fork, which test is this? This is the Weber test. An equipment is also shown over there. So it is the Weber test. Which instrument is used to measure the intensity of pain? The intensity of pain can be used, you know, how much pain you have, that can be measured as well. It can be measured with the help of algometer. It is measured with the help of algometer. In human body, what is the functional connection between two neurons called? The function between two neurons is called synapse. What is the name of tract that carries food through body digestive system? What is the name of the tract that carries the food through the body's digestive system? It is alimentary canal. It is alimentary canal. So this is all about the page number 26. Let's see, up to 7 we have done, which heaviest, that is mercury. What is the use of the iodized salt recommended for the proper functioning of thyroid gland and prevent from the goiter? Deafness is diagnosed with the help of the turning fork. That test is Weber test. An instrument used to measure the intensity of the pain, it's algometer. The human body, what is the functional connection between these two neurons is called? It's synapse. And what is the name of the tract that carry through the food through body's digestive system? It's alimentary canal. Now I'm removing it. Please, you may have a click of this. Yes, let's go to the next page. It's all about 26. If you have any doubt, please make a note. In the query session, I'll ask from you. If you're able to see, a picture is there on the screen. I hope you get the message from this picture. A nose is developing there in the picture, and all the smoke that is emitted from the industry, from the scrap, it is just breathed by that nose. And whose nose is this? It is the nose of a human being. It shows that we are breathing in air. Without breathing, nobody can survive. Breathing is the basic or essential element to survive. So, and we know that air is there, and whatever the smoke is emitted by all the industries, all the vehicles, that always mixed with the air, and when we breathe in along with the air, all these bacteria, all these pollution just also breathed by us, which cause a number of multiple diseases to us. So see, there is another beautiful picture that I captured for you. On the one side, there is a green earth. How nice, how beautiful it is looking. You can see by looking at that half picture, you feel so vibrant. You feel so good because everything seems to be very fresh there. Because all the things, those are the fresh one that gives us the pleasure, that gives us the mental health, that gives us the physical health as well, because that gives us the pure and fresh air to breathe. As well as when there is no noise pollution, then we have the mental soundness. When there is no water pollution, we will get the clean water. So there are many ways by which the environment get polluted, and ultimately it just harm on our health. So it is the need of the hour, as we are just going to become very much modernized nowadays. The number of industries, the use of the vehicles is going to be rapidly increasing day by day. No doubt we have to be upgraded ourselves. We have to use the new technologies, but along with that, we have to take all those measures which remove the effect of all these hazards that is created by the use of the latest technology. On the another side, when you see the picture, everything is just looking so messy, so black, so full of pollution, and that is so negative in fact. See, if you see that half part of picture, that don't give you a good sense, that don't give you a good feel. But on the another side, when everything is very much fresh, everything seems to be very happy, very much good, very much positive. So what's happening to us nowadays? Nowadays also, it's happening with our earth, with our environment as well. You have seen in the corona period also, when the first time the lockdown happened there and everybody was stayed at home, what happened in that case? We find that when we get up early in the morning or in the evening or the daytime as well, we find that everything seems to be very fresh. Everything seems to be very much blooming at that time. So that was the live example that you people have seen. When there is a lack of pollution, there is a increase in the freshness, and the freshness will be there. It develop a immense pleasure, happiness in our mind, and also cause a good health. One more picture I also have for you. You can see nowadays, as the so much use of vehicles is there, you can see everywhere there is a noise created by the horns, a noise created by the vehicles as well, and rushy there, and smoke is also emitted by those vehicles. See, there is also another picture of the industrial areas where the work is going on, and so much smoke is emitted out, which pollute the environment. See, the garbage is thrown by the industries and the people as well. And see how the beautiful nature is. Nature has given us such a beautiful things. But what we are doing, we are just messed each and everything. And just because of our nuisance, just because of our carelessness, we are just harming our nature. See, the nature has given us the rare gifts. Nature has given us the most beautiful gifts. But what we are doing, we are not doing the wise use of it, and we are harming it. But you are feeling good here. Please note it down in the query session. I'll ask from you. Do you find those greenery and clouds so good, or the garbage that is floating in the water? What you are feeling good when you see this garbage? You feel good, or when you see at that greenery or the fresh environment, then you feel good. Suppose on the place of this garbage, a clear water was there, then how good we feel? We feel so good. And moreover, this water become very much harmful. So we discussed a lot about the pollution. Let's see what the author has given about the pollution and the life. Industrialization has revolutionized the quality of the life, but many fail to appreciate the ill effect of the industrialization in the terms of pollution. Unless checked, increasing pollution may render life meaningless existence even when one has hordes of the wealth. So let's take the correct answers and check your knowledge about the pollution. See, let's check our knowledge and see what is over there. Yes. Which of the following invention does not consume any fuel, does not create pollution, keeps the user fit, and is inexpensive too? It is, the answer is C, bicycle. Because bicycle do not consume any fuel, and it does not create pollution and keep us the fit as well, and inexpensive also. Which gas plays a decisive role in affecting the climate of the earth? Which gas plays? It is carbon dioxide. Which organism is the most affected by the acid rains? When the acid rain means the polluted rain is there, which, because the aquatic animals affected the most, so it is the fish. Which living being is the good pollution monitor? Which living being is the good pollution monitor? It is mollusks. Which of the following caused by the maximum noise? Which is the following caused by the maximum noise pollution? The pop music, aircraft takeoff, or the railway engine? Which cause the maximum noise? It is the aircraft takeoff. So I'm scrolling the screen and let's go for the further questions. Yes, the sixth one. To which following does the supersonic aircraft and rockets cause the maximum damage? To which the following does supersonic aircraft and the rocket cause the maximum damage? Whether the ozone layer did this, stratosphere or ionosphere. Which cause? It is the ozone layer. Which ecosystem is the oldest of all? Which ecosystem? It's a tropical rainforest or the coral reefs or the mangroves. The oldest ecosystem is, that is coral reef. In 1957-58 marked the end of the long period during the Cold War when the scientific interchange between East and West has been seriously interrupted. What was it called? Is it called the Global Research Project or the International Scientific Expedition or International Geophysical Year? It is known as the International Geophysical Year because this is the long period of the Cold War when the scientific interchange between the East and West has been seriously interrupted. It is the International Geophysical Year. So it is all about for the today's topic. Now, if anybody have any doubt, you may ask.